The drone industry is currently undergoing a profound transformation, ushering in an era of unprecedented technological advancements. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the latest breakthroughs, including drones with morphing capabilities, hybrid models, and groundbreaking applications that have the potential to be truly game-changing. The Dragon Drone, stabilizing complex shapes. The Dragon Drone represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of drone technology. It demonstrates the feasibility of stabilizing complex shapes using actuated motors. This breakthrough enables drones to perform intricate tasks and seamlessly integrate into swarms, making them incredibly versatile tools for a wide range of applications. Hybrid models, versatility beyond the sky. Hybrid drones are at the forefront of the evolution. These drones blur the boundaries between traditional flying drones and ground-based vehicles, combining the best of both worlds. The Skywalker omnidirectional vehicle, for example, seamlessly transitions between aerial and ground-based modes in real time, significantly increasing efficiency and speed. VTOL meets fixed wing, the Firestone concept. The Firestone concept exemplifies the fusion of vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL capabilities, with fixed-wing designs. This innovation extends the flight time of drones, enabling them to carry substantial payloads over extended distances. XP4, a gargantuan leap in hybrid drones. The XP4 drone represents a monumental leap in hybrid drone technology. With a wingspan exceeding 13 feet, it can carry a payload of up to 15 pounds over 60 nautical miles, all powered by an all-electric system. The key to its success lies in its dihedral hinges and wing tilt mechanisms, which allow for versatile flight modes. The Morpho, adapting to flight conditions. Morpho drone is designed to adapt to a diverse range of flight conditions. Featuring a biplane configuration, it can automatically adjust its orientation when faced with crosswinds. This innovation ensures that the drone can efficiently conduct inspections, adapting to changing environmental conditions. The TJ Flying Fish. While many drones have conquered the skies, the TJ Flying Fish excels both in the air and underwater. This innovative hybrid aquatic drone boasts a dual-speed gearbox that allows it to rotate its props and change its speed for enhanced maneuverability. It can perform short flights or extended underwater navigation at impressive speeds. The Griffin Project, a glimpse of the future. The Griffin Project introduces a drone with a 5-foot wingspan and a weight of around 1.5 pounds. What sets it apart is its actuated claw that can correct for flight inaccuracies and automatically perch on objects. This innovation represents a crucial development in autonomous perching, powering the future, battery energy density, and beyond. One of the fundamental challenges in drone technology is battery energy density. While larger drones can utilize turbo generators, lighter devices opt for piezoelectric propulsion. The drone industry is at the cusp of an incredible transformation. From drones with morphing capabilities to hybrid models and the potential for unprecedented swarm capabilities, the possibilities seem boundless. Please share your thoughts on these developments and leave a comment. If you found this video informative and insightful, don't forget to like this content and be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest drone innovations. The future of drone technology is an exciting one, and the possibilities are limitless.